Scarzo got the Glock, ho.
Yo, welcome again. It's the company back in a brand new video. Hope everyone is doing great and الحمد في اميرسي في نعمة حاجة ما تخصو فاموراتك واضحة صاحبي. مادامكش دير في عفايس يهلكولك صحتك كيما راهو يدير عباس وراك دير في عفايس ينميولك صحتك كيما الشركة فاوبيسلي راك في نعمة حاجة ما تخصك صاحبي. عاودوا نوليو بفيديو جديد اللي راح نشوفوا فيه كونفرساسيون واحدة من ستيل هذاك اللي تشتيو هذا كيما تاع الاورغواي وكيما تاع الامريكان اللي يكون منا الفيديوهات هذو فري اسطوريين وفري انا نشتي نصورهم لانه فيهم بيت كبير يعني وبيت باهي كيما هذا الفيديو اللي راح نشوفوا واحد الجوانب مع واحد الايطاليه كبيره في عمرها 25 سنه. راح نهضروا على لايف ستايل اوبيسلي ومنها العفايس هذوك، ولكن هذا الفيديو ديفيرنتي لاننا راح نهضروا على الدين. هي راح تسقسيني اسئله دوك تشوفوا في الفيديو واحده واحده سقساتني على بعض الاسئله على الدين وراح نحاولوا نوضحوا الصوره فري فيديو فري اسطوري. ما تاملش عقلك صاحبي. hit the like button. Are you kind of teacher or something like that?
No.
That's why the board behind you.
Because it helps with different things I have to do.
To-do list.
Yeah.
Yeah, so where are you from? You
Yeah.
have an accent.
Yeah, I'm from Italy. Where are you from?
I'm from Algeria in Africa.
Okay.
Do you do any art?
Not exactly. No, it's not my thing.
What do you do? What's your hobby?
I don't have a hobby. I'm a student. So I study all the time, every day.
Yeah, but you don't do sports or you don't read books or you don't...
Yeah, I read a lot of books and I really like go out for a walk. I don't like running, you know. Yeah.
Which kind of books do you read?
Fiction mostly are the things that I'm interested in, but mostly fiction.
Tell me what do you have on your to-do list today?
Today nothing because I did everything. I did everything because in 3 days I have to deliver my final thesis.
What was your to-do list for today?
Okay. I had to write the introduction and the conclusions of my thesis and see how to set the number of the pages, you know, in the paper because I can't start from the beginning. I have to start after 6 pages in Microsoft Word, and I don't know how to do to do this.
You have a lot of work.
Yeah.
Yes, you do a lot of work. That's exhausting. What do you study? What do you do?
In theory, I'm graduating in Italian literature. I'm actually I wrote my thesis on the implementation of a predictive algorithm. Yeah, now main thing is AI, artificial intelligence. Yeah.
Okay, we don't study that in my country. So which grade are you?
What? Sorry?
Are you in college or high school or what?
In college, I'm at university. I'm 25.
25? You are 25 years?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why you have a very difficult study. Like.
Yeah.
Yes.
How old are you?
I am 19.
Oh, okay. You're very young.
I'm very young. Yes.
Okay.
So, are you living in Italy right now?
Yeah, I'm living in the north of Italy because my university is here.
Yeah, but why people in Italy don't speak English so much?
That's a great question. I don't know. I mean, I think that maybe it's a cultural problem. You know, like Italian people don't think that it's necessary. They don't give a shit if another person don't understand them. We actually study English. When we are young, I started when I was like 6 years old, and we don't have native teachers. We learn English in an Italian way that's different. Where I live in a house with my boyfriend.
With your boyfriend. Okay.
We are just the two of us.
Yes, you are not engaged.
Yeah, I'm not engaged, but I have a boyfriend. It's not my fiancé, but it's a boyfriend, and we live together. Because in Italy, it's more common to go and live together before you get engaged.
Yeah, in my country, you have to get engaged or married so you can live together.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah. Not in Italy.
Yes, what?
Because
Yeah, speak.
because we think that it's very important to see how two people live together, to see if they can marry in the future eventually, but you can decide also not to get married at all and live with your boyfriend for all your life.
You just to have experienced that.
Yeah, to see, okay, maybe this can work or maybe cannot. You can go and live with a guy or a girl and see, okay, I love you, but I can't live with you.
Ah.
I don't like to live.
How many language do you speak?
Speak to Italian and English, but I understand Spanish and I can read it too. I can speak it.
What's your boyfriend work?
And he's a student too.
Ah.
Yeah, we are the same age.
Oh, okay. So what was you
And
are
he
going
has
to
to deliver
say?
his final thesis. What? Sorry?
You was going to say something about language when I say.
I don't know. I'd like to study again Spanish because I used to study it when I was younger during my high school. I'd like to learn more languages, but you need a lot of time and money to do that.
Yes, you need.
And may I ask you about your religion?
Yes, I am a Muslim.
Okay, so I suppose that. Sorry.
Yes.
I suppose that. And for example, before you said that you have to marry someone to go and live together.
Yes.
And may I ask you how it works when a man has more wives?
More wives. This is, in the past, like in the Islam, they said that you have to marry 4 women, so your family doesn't disappear because they were dying in the wars, and Islam for to save my family, and I had to marry 4 wives. So if I die or my wife die, my don't
Okay.
disappear.
Okay. But now it.
But now things are okay. There is no wars and stuff like that. So you just have to marry one. But you can marry more if you want.
Okay, you can. So
Yes.
you can marry more
You
than
can,
one.
but it's not common. Like no one do that anymore.
Okay. Also about the hijab, right?
The hijab,
Women,
the scarf.
yeah, as scarf, as to wear it. Islam says that you have to, you must, right?
Yes.
It's not really a choice, right?
Actually, you have to wear it, but most of the Islamic, like let's say 10%, 20% of the Muslim girls don't wear it.
Okay.
It-
Bad happens. Sorry, because it's very Christian, but you don't go to hell when you die if you don't wear.
No,
scarf.
it's you don't actually.
Okay,
You have
okay.
to.
Nothing bad happens to you.
Yeah, nothing happens to you, but
But every religion has things in common.
Yes,
Actually, I'm not a believer, so I'm not really. I don't have the knowledge.
yeah, I
about,
know a lot of Europeans don't believe in anything.
Yeah.
But if you want
Yeah.
to believe, you have to go with Islam, because Islam is like the whole,
Yeah, I'm not a believer.
Yes,
I mean,
yes.
it's something that you feel or not feel. Something.
Yeah, but
I don't know.
but you believe in God, right?
No.
Yeah. Believe
Any
me,
God
when
at
you
all.
believe in God, everything's in your life will be like easy. It's like
Yeah,
everything you do.
I know. Yeah, but I think that you can't really decide if to believe or not believe in God. It's something like you feel.
It's actually, you have to believe in our religion, but you have the choice. Like no one's in Islam. We don't have to like push people to go to
Yeah.
Islam.
In Europe, there are a lot of prejudices about Islam. Prejudice. When you think something about someone, that's a really common idea. Like, sorry for the example, but like, you're a Muslim, so you're a terrorist.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah. There is this thing actually.
Yeah, but it's not
a lot.
true.
Yeah, I know. I studied some Islam at university. I studied the women jihad, the war of women.
Yeah, the women jihad.
Yeah, and I studied different versions of the Quran. I don't know if, yeah, it was really interesting.
Yeah,
Really.
Quran, it's very interesting. Like he have things that the science didn't discover until thousands. You, for example, you don't steal money, or or you kill someone, or you lie, or you do any those bad things. In the past, you don't do it because you are scared of Allah. Scared He's gonna punish you. And now you scared with the justice. Obviously, if you kill, you're gonna go to the jail. So
Yeah.
yeah, so actually believing in God make the world like equal. Like nobody kills,
Yeah.
nobody.
Yeah, absolutely. I think actually, even if I'm not a believer and I don't believe in God, I think that it's really important that people as a God and as something believe in, because for example, if a parent or a friend or someone dies, and you can think and imagine this person in another dimension really happy and satisfied. In my view of things are worse. I see like there's nothing. Like before you were born, you don't see here nothing, as something is finished and that's all. You don't have anything after this. So I truly believe that it's really important to believe in something, and
Yes,
sometimes
because that's what's gonna give your life a meaning. You said, oh, tomorrow I'm gonna die, so let me do anything. Let me kill, let me steal, let me do anything.
yeah, yeah. I don't really need to be scared of justice or God to not do those kind of things. I think that they are unrespectfully for other people, and I truly believe that if you wanna live your life, you have to respect the other people's life.
Yes.
That's all. Their things, their money, their emotions, their
Yes, but
feelings.
sometimes we see people that they don't do that. They don't respect others.
Yeah.
So if they were Muslims, they have to respect it. Like Islam, he's like this. Like you don't
Yeah.
have to.
So may I ask you? You can drink alcohol,
No, you can't. Let me
and
tell
you
you.
don't?
Yeah, I don't. Let me tell you a small story, okay? There is one man before the Islam camp, I think. When they came and asked, I said, why you don't drink alcohol and those things? Before the Islam came, before it was haram and prohibited and God will punish you if you do it, why you didn't drink it? Like it was normal. They said that I see alcohol make my mind, not balance. They make me,
Unstable.
yeah,
Yeah.
they make me do very. So actually, when the Islam came, he told you like the things that that's gonna hurt you. You don't do it.
Yeah. I understand.
Yes.
I really like, for example, enjoy a glass of wine while I'm eating, for example, with my boyfriend or my family. I'm Italian, so we have a culture about
Yes.
wine. So in every house, in every home, in every family, because it's really cultural. As food, we have this thing about food and wine. For example, a glass of wine, but single glass of wine doesn't make me feel not balanced.
Yeah.
It's just the taste.
Let me tell you another story. One time I met a Muslim girl here, and I pretend that I am Christian, and I asked her why alcohol is haram. She said, "Well, if you drink, it will make you wanna drink more,
Yeah.
and then you will be unstable. So he will affect on you if you can't control yourself."
It's not about religion, this thing, but it's like self-control.
Yes.
I mean, if you are 25 years as I am, don't know if you are 16. It's another thing, in another story. You should be able to control yourself and understand when it's time to stop.
Yes, that makes sense. But Islam, he told you like everything. You have to not drugs and those stuff.
I'm smoking, for example, and
No,
you can
I think-
it's less dangerous than normal cigarettes, but it's something that you are. May I
Yes.
ask you something else?
Yes, of course.
So you are a Muslim. For example, if you wanna stay with a girl, you're going to marry her before live with her.
Actually, a lot of people don't do that, to be honest with you. They like met the girl like you are doing right now, and they don't like live with each other or those stuff, but they are dating, you know? They don't have sex or those kind of stuff, but they are dating.
No sex before marriage.
Yes. That's very prohibited in my religion.
How can you understand if there is a chemistry?
They go to the doctor before they.
Yeah, but it's not something that a doctor can tell you. I mean, you could not like to have sex with the other person because you may like that person, but you may don't like have sex with.
I actually don't have specific answer for this. Like I didn't.
So every people have sex with one person in their life.
Yes, with one person, or you know, if he married again, he will 2 times. But actually, to be honest with you, a lot of people have sex before they get married. Like say,
yeah, I hope so.
14%.
For them.
Yeah, have diseases or have stuff like that.
Yeah, and you already had sex with a girl?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
No. Okay.
No. Huh?
And you want to wait to marry a girl before having sex
Obviously,
with?
yes, of course.
Yeah. And what if she wants to have sex before marriage? You say no?
Marzo got the Glock, ho.
لا man, you gotta be kidding me. الأجانب الحاجة الوحيدة أو مش الوحيدة وإنما الحاجة اللي فري تعجبني فيهم أنهم عندهم آداب الحوار صاحبي. تخيل كون تهدر مع بس في كاش موضوع هكذا ويكون بيناتكم شوية اختلاف هكذا، ماشي حاجة كبيرة على الدين ولا نو، حاجة اختلاف، حاجة بسيطة هكذا. راح تلقاه يسب يعيط كيفاه منا ها والو ما نهدرش. ولكن الاجانب تخيل انك تهدر معهم في مواضيع حساسه كيما الدين وتقول لهم بلي نتوما راكم رايحين في طريق لهلاك، راح يقولوا لك هي هوي صح عندك الحق، وفي نفس الوقت هما اللي يسقسيوك ماشي انت اللي نو، هما كيريوس يحبوا يسقسيو منا. وحاجه اللي شوكتني انهم يقراو الاسلام في الجامعه وفي العفايس هذوك، ماشي خاطرهم مش زوج نتلاقى مع ناس من الاوروب اللي يقراو الاسلام والقران والعفايس هذوك في الجامعه. انا ملايك وات ذا فاك، حنا عباس كي تقولوا باللي المسيحي يامن بربي اللي كفر. الفيديو هذا ديب باه نقول لك، ومحتوى صديقي ما يديروش عباس كون يتلاقى مع هذه وتقولوا مثلا تلاقاو وحكاو سيدي نقولوا 2 دقائق واو عباس كون يحكي 2 دقائق، ومن بعد تقصيه تقولوا اسكو في الاسلام يتزوجوا بربعه ولا عفايس هذو، راح يبدا يطرولي ويبدا يضحك وهاي بين القصه يطرولي اوبيسلي يقول لها ندير كتير رابعه ومنا. ولكن احنا صديقي نجاوبهم على قد السؤال ونحاولوا نعطيو لهم عقليه ونوضحوا لهم الصوره كامله، نحاولوا ناثروا فيهم وهما ياثروا على الناس اخرين، ونمدوا صوره حسنه صاحبي. راه الناس اللي يعرفوا لها راهم يدعموا الشركه وراهم على بالهم واش كاين واش ما كانش، وهذه هي. So yeah, I think that's it for me today. دعموا لنا الفيديو كم تعرفوا العقليه بلا ما يحتاج نهدر.
It's gonna be a problem in my paper late day to day. I've been busting sweat out like a slave, but then I'm working hard.